Hey there, money savers. If you've ever wondered how your grandparents managed to stretch a dollar so far, this one's for you. Today, I'm sharing 25 old-fashioned frugal living tips that people used way before modern budgeting apps and Amazon Prime. And guess what? They still work. These tips may be old school, but they can help you save thousands in today's world. Let's dive right in. Section 1. In the home. 1. Cook from scratch. Processed and prepackaged foods are convenient, but cooking from scratch is healthier and much cheaper. Bonus, you control the ingredients. Cook once, eat twice. Double recipes and freeze leftovers for easy, cheap future meals. Make coffee at home. Brewing at home saves a fortune. Use a pressure cooker. Pressure cookers cut cooking time and energy costs, perfect for cheap meals. 2. Use a clothesline. Ditch the dryer whenever possible and opt for sun-drying your laundry instead. Not only does this save on electricity, but it also helps extend the life of your clothes. The sun's natural heat and air circulation prevent the wear and tear that dryers can cause, keeping your garments in better condition for longer. Plus, air drying your laundry is an eco-friendly choice, reducing your carbon footprint while lowering your utility bills. It's a simple yet effective way to save money and preserve your clothing. 3. Mend and repair items. Learn basic home repairs. Fast fashion and constant replacements can be costly, so learning basic sewing skills to patch holes, replace buttons, or alter thrifted clothes is a smart way to save. Back in the day, people didn't throw things out, they fixed them. And that mindset still pays off today. Whether it's fixing a leaky faucet or patching a small hole in the wall, mastering a few simple repair techniques can save you hundreds. YouTube is a great free resource. No need to call a professional for every small issue. 4. Make your own cleaning products. Instead of spending money on expensive store-bought cleaners, try making your own using simple ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, and lemon juice. These natural alternatives are not only effective but also safe, eco-friendly, and far more affordable. A little of each can clean just about anything, from countertops to bathroom tiles, without harsh chemicals. You can even make your own laundry detergent, which costs just pennies per load compared to commercial brands, offering a budget-friendly and healthier way to keep your home clean. 5. Use cloth. Instead of paper, switching from disposable paper towels and napkins to reusable cloth alternatives is a simple yet impactful way to save money over time. This change especially benefits larger households, where the cost of paper products can add up quickly. Cloth items can be washed and reused countless times, making them both economical and environmentally friendly. Not only do you reduce waste, but you also cut down on frequent shopping trips, creating a more sustainable and budget-conscious lifestyle with minimal effort. Section 2. Food and kitchen habits. 6. Grow a garden. Whether you have space for a full backyard garden or just a few herbs on your windowsill, growing your own food is a timeless and effective way to save money. Fresh produce from your own garden reduces grocery bills, enhances your meals, and offers the added benefit of knowing exactly how your food was grown. Even small-scale gardening can yield a surprising amount of savings and satisfaction. 7. Preserve what you grow. Don't let your homegrown bounty go to waste. Learn how to can, freeze, or dehydrate fruits and vegetables so you can enjoy them long after harvest season ends. Preserving your own food helps you build a pantry full of healthy, homemade options and saves you from last-minute grocery runs. It's a smart way to stretch your efforts and maximize every bit of what you grow. 8. Save scraps for broth or compost. Old-fashioned frugality means making the most of everything you have. Vegetable peels, stems, and even leftover bones can be turned into rich, homemade broth, completely free and full of flavor. Anything that doesn't make it into the pot can go into the compost pile, turning kitchen waste into nutrient-rich soil for your garden. It's a cycle of savings and sustainability. 9. Plan your meals. Meal planning used to be a necessity, and it remains one of the most powerful ways to cut down on food waste and grocery bills. By creating a weekly menu, you avoid impulse purchases, use up what you have, and make shopping more intentional. A great tip is to plan meals around weekly sales. Check local ads and base your menu on discounted items to maximize savings. And don't forget to save those veggie scraps and bones to make your own flavorful, cost-free broth at home. 10. Make your own bread. Baking your own bread is a rewarding and surprisingly simple way to save money while enjoying fresher, healthier food. With just a few basic ingredients, flour, water, yeast, and salt, you can create a delicious loaf at a fraction of the cost of store-bought options. Homemade bread contains no preservatives or unnecessary additives. And once you taste it, you may never go back to packaged loaves. It's a wholesome, frugal habit that brings both comfort and savings to your kitchen. Section 3. Money and budgeting mindsets. 11. Use cash envelopes. The cash envelope method is a time-tested budgeting strategy that helps you stick to your financial limits. By assigning a set amount of cash to specific spending categories like groceries, entertainment, or dining out, you stay mindful of your budget. Once the cash is gone, the spending stops. This method encourages discipline, reduces overspending, and gives you a clearer picture of where your money goes. 12. Buy quality. Once, your grandparents understood the value of investing in quality. Whether it's a winter coat, a sturdy pair of boots, or reliable tools, buying well-made items that last for years will save you more in the long run than constantly replacing cheap alternatives. Quality over quantity is a key frugal principle that prioritizes durability, function, and long-term savings. 13. Live with less. Frugality isn't about going without. It's about choosing simplicity and intention. Owning fewer things can lead to greater peace of mind, less clutter, and more appreciation for what you do have. Living with less helps reduce impulse spending and shifts your focus from accumulating to enjoying a more meaningful lifestyle. 14. Reuse containers and jars. Before tossing out that spaghetti sauce jar or yogurt tub, think of how you can reuse it. Clean glass jars and plastic containers are perfect for storing leftovers, organizing pantry staples, packing lunches, or even creating DIY gifts. Reusing containers is a smart, sustainable way to reduce waste and save money on storage solutions. 15th, batch cook and freeze. Spending one day preparing meals in bulk can save you time, money, and stress throughout the week. Batch cooking allows you to buy ingredients in larger, more cost-effective quantities and avoid the temptation of last-minute takeout. Freeze portions for easy weeknight meals and enjoy the convenience of home-cooked food without the daily effort. Section 4. Old School Life Hacks. 16. Use the library. Your local library is a goldmine of free resources. From books, movies, and audiobooks to online courses and workshops, libraries offer a wealth of entertainment and education, all at no cost. Whether you're learning a new skill, enjoying a film night, or finding your next favorite read, using the library is a smart, budget-friendly alternative to buying or subscribing. 17. Barter and Trade. Save money by exchanging skills or goods instead of spending cash. Offer to babysit, mow a lawn, or sew in exchange for services you need? This old-school bartering system is practical, builds community, and helps everyone benefit without breaking the bank. Whether it's a service swap or trading items, bartering is a creative and effective way to stretch your resources. 18. Take care of what you own. A little maintenance goes a long way. Regularly caring for your belongings, cleaning, repairing, and storing them properly can significantly extend their lifespan. Whether it's your car, clothes, appliances, or tools, proper upkeep reduces the need for costly replacements and helps you get the most value out of what you already own. 19. Hang on to scraps. Don't toss those odds and ends. Fabric pieces, leftover wood, broken jewelry, or used gift wrap can all be repurposed creatively. With a little imagination, scraps become materials for crafts, repairs, or DIY projects. Holding on to small items you might otherwise discard can save money and inspire resourceful solutions when you need them most. 20. Make gifts by hand. Homemade gifts are not only budget-friendly, they're also deeply personal and thoughtful. Whether it's baked goods, handmade crafts, or a heartfelt letter, creating something yourself adds a unique touch that store-bought items can't match. Making gifts by hand shows care, creativity, and intention, all while keeping your wallet happy. Section 5. Energy and utility savings. 21st. Turn off lights and unplug. Energy vampires, devices that draw power even when turned off, can quietly drive up your electricity bill. one timeless piece of frugal wisdom still holds true. If you're not using it, turn it off. Unplug chargers, appliances, and electronics when they're not in use. Being mindful of these phantom energy drains can make a noticeable difference in your monthly expenses while promoting a more energy-efficient lifestyle. 22. Use a sweater instead of the thermostat. Before turning up the heat, try adding an extra layer. Wearing a sweater or using a cozy blanket is a smart way to stay warm without running the heater unnecessarily. Heating an entire house costs far more than keeping yourself warm with clothing. This simple habit can lower your energy bill while keeping you comfortable during colder months. 23rd. Line your trash with newspaper. Here's a clever trick from Grandma's era. Use old newspaper to line your trash bins instead of disposable plastic bags. It's a great way to repurpose paper, cut down on waste, and reduce the number of trash bags you need to buy. This low-cost, eco-friendly method is perfect for smaller bins or dry waste. 24. Skip disposables when possible. Investing in reusable items like cloth napkins, metal straws, glass food containers, and washable sponges pays off quickly. Though the upfront cost may be slightly higher, you'll save significantly over time by not needing to constantly repurchase disposable alternatives. This frugal habit also helps reduce household waste and promotes sustainable living. 25. Practice gratitude, not consumerism. Perhaps the most important frugal living tip of all is to embrace contentment. Be grateful for what you already have, and you'll naturally feel less pressure to buy more. Shifting your mindset away from constant consumption leads to fewer purchases, less clutter, and a more peaceful, intentional life. True happiness doesn't come from spending. It comes from appreciating the simple things. Bonus tips: repurpose and upcycle. Before throwing anything away, ask yourself, can this be reused or repurposed? With a little creativity, everyday items like old jars, pallets, and even worn-out furniture can be given a second life. Walk or bike more. Cut down on fuel costs by walking or biking for short trips whenever possible. Whether it's a quick run to the grocery store or a daily commute, choosing foot or pedal power saves money, reduces your carbon footprint, and adds healthy movement to your day. It's a win-win for your wallet, your health, and the environment. And there you have it. 25 old-fashioned, frugal tips that are still gold today. Let me know in the comments which one you're already doing or which one you're going to try first. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more money-saving content, and share it with a friend who's ready to live smart. Until next time, keep it simple and stay frugal.